Hello friends, here is the project interfacing of RTC with PIC using I2C protocol. Let's begin with introduction of I2C protocol. I2C is one of mode of serial communication. It is typically used for short distance intra-board communication and also known as two-wire interface. It is invented by Philips. It has two open drain lines. First is SDA, that is serial data, and used to send data in both direction. Second is SCL, serial clock. Data will be sent to other device on a clock tick event. Since all operations on SDA are with respect to SCL, so that we call it as synchronous protocol. As these two lines are open drain, pull-up resistor must be connected to these lines. This is the block diagram of I2C. There is controller which controls the whole process is known as master, and other which respond to master is known as slave. I2C is multi-master and multi-slave communication protocol. If we want to communicate with any slave, then we should know the address of slave device, and that address is unique slave address of 7-bit or 10-bit. I2C is used in many applications like reading RTC, accessing external memory. It is also used in sensor modules like gyrometer, magnetometer, etc. In this project, RTC is interfaced with PIC18F4580 microcontroller using I2C protocol. Like any other hardware interfacing with microcontroller, I2C also needs some resistors. So we have to use SSPCon1 and SSPCon2 for control operations, SSP stat for status reading, and SSP buff register when we want to take data, and that value will be loaded to SSP buff register. SSP address register will used whenever we configure microcontroller in slave mode. Here RTC DS1307 is used and address or data are transferred through I2C protocol. It counts second, minute, hours, date, month, day of week and year with leap year compensation. For communication, we have to use SCL and SDA pin of RTC. This RTC come with register set, different register address for second, minute, hour and so on. These addresses are described in datasheet. Time and calendar are set by writing the appropriate register bytes. Here is the code for this project. Firstly, microcontroller is configured in master mode and start the communication by sending the address of RTC. In this write function, we give address of registers to RTC from where we need to fetch data. Once RTC give acknowledgement bit, communication repeatedly started. In this function, we set microcontroller as receiver, that is slave, and by using read function, we fetch data related with second, minute, hours and so on. In read function, data is copied from SSP buff, then microcontroller gives acknowledgement to RTC. The data is received is in the BCD format. Once data is received, microcontroller converts it into ASCII and displayed on the LCD. Here is the conversion of BCD data into the ASCII values. Here how the code works. First, using PIC, we configure RTC with current time and date. After some time, we are reading some same values from the RTC to PIC and displaying on the LCD. Here we can see values of second changing continuously. Thank you for watching.